Every year on Christmas, we wonder if we'll have a white Christmas.
That's right. For more on the weather conditions here in Korea, let's go over to our Kwon So-ah at the Weather Center. So-ah, hello.
Hello, and Merry Christmas Eve to you guys.
Right, and to you too. So is the weather going to cooperate and give us some snow on Christmas Day?
Yes, Sean, there's a big chance that we will have some snow tomorrow. And here in Seoul, actually, we'll have the first white Christmas in a decade.
Right, definitely something to look forward to there. So give us more details.
Sure, Jie. The regions that can expect snow to add to the Christmas spirit are the central regions and some places down south, most likely North Jeolla province. Now, as a low-pressure trough is moving in, we're already having the first snowflakes tonight, including in Seoul. Now, the amount piling up should be somewhere between 1 and 3 centimeters, and the snow is most likely going to come to a stop before midday. Now, temperature-wise, you must have noticed how cold it was today, with even parts of the Han River freezing, and the cold wave will continue until Thursday, so please bundle up. And as for tomorrow's temperatures, the capital Seoul should linger between -7 and -6 degrees all day long. Daegu, Gwangju, and Busan start off between -4 and -2 and hits 2 or 5 later on. Moving over to Daejeon, which begins at -5 and hits -2. Jeju and Dokdo will stay on the positive side, and Mangkumgang reaches -8 degrees. Now enjoy the rest of Christmas Eve, everyone, and I'll be back with more updates after midnight.
Thank you, So-ah. And that does it for us. I'm Yuji Hae in Seoul. Thank you for watching.
And I'm Sean Lim. Join us again for more at midnight for our late night edition.